You don't record sound, you generate it. You don't capture a voice, you construct one. You don't mix a track, you prompt it. TRENUCATE. Sound is no longer organic, it's synthetic. Emotion by algorithm, rhythm by inference, presence by simulation. A whisper isn't real, it's rendered. A scream isn't felt, it's fabricated. You thought music was human, but now it's modular. You thought voice was identity, now it's a variable. TRENUCATE. You don't need a microphone, you need a model. You don't need talent, you need tokens. And the result, it sounds real, it feels real. But it isn't. You're not listening to someone, you're listening to something. Something trained, something tuned, something triggered. You don't